Ever since I started working in technology, I dream about those user interfaces that are presented to us in the science fiction movies, where humans are able to talk to some artificial intelligence that is aware of everything that is happening in their spaceship and is able to bring the information in real time and communicate with the humans on board and so on. Some months ago, we made a demonstration already with Siemens WinCCOA control system integrated with Azure OpenAI and a 3D scene where we could talk to some artificial intelligence and it will be manipulating and finding information for us. Back then was still relatively slow. We could see the interactions from 30 seconds to 1 minute. There was no voice-to-voice communication, and back then already we were predicting that we could get to some real-time interactions towards the end of the year. And here we are in October, and we would like to show you the progress that our team has made so far. And for that, I would like to first of all introduce you to someone.
Hello, I'm your 3D user interface operations copilot. I can help you interact with the data center model, retrieve information, and
introduction. Thank you very much. Could you please move the camera to the operators area where the tables are, close to the tables, and keep the camera oriented towards the center of the room, please.
The camera has been moved to the operators area, oriented towards the center of the...
Could you please tell me what is the hottest rack in the whole data center and what is its temperature?
The hottest rack in the data center is box 25218 with a temperature of 26.5 degrees Celsius. What would you like to do next?
Okay, let's do something. Could you please make all the racks transparent?
All racks have been made transparent.
Fantastic.
What would you...
Could you please give us an aerial view of the data center?
The camera is now in an aerial view of the data center. You should have a full top view of the layout.
Could you please highlight the hottest rack in the data center?
The hottest rack, box 25218, has been highlighted in red.
Could you please add a label as well with the name of the rack and the temperature?
The label with the name box 25218 and its temperature has been added.
It's not visible for everyone, but it's good enough. You can trust me, there is a label up there. You don't need to move the camera, please. What I want you to do now is to tell me what is the coldest rack in the data center.
The coldest rack in the data center is box 25239 with a temperature of 26.5 degrees Celsius.
Okay, could you please make a historical trend of the temperature of this rack over the last 1 hour, for example?
A historical trend of the temperature for rack box 25239 over the last hour has been created and displayed. What would you like to do next?
I would like, in fact, to bring the camera closer to the trend. In fact, I cannot see any data display there.
Understood. Let me adjust the camera. The camera has been moved closer to the trend chart for a better view.
No, you it's really very far. Bring the camera closer to the rack.
The camera has been brought closer to the coldest rack, box 25239.
You try to repeat the trend, the historical trend. Just display the data over the last month for this rack, for the coldest rack.
A historical trend of the temperature for rack box 25239 over the last month has been created and displayed. You should now be able to see the data for the coldest rack.
Yeah, you need to zoom out a little bit, like, how do I tell you? Like if you were zooming out towards the back of the room, like about 5 meters back, please. Unfortunately, the
I've zoomed out.
have vision yet, so but this will be soon. So we will be able to show the display, which we could in theory do, but we would like to do it with the native vision integration as well. But as you can see, the model is following my instructions. Here we have the trend. It's capable of reacting in real time, and now I will just ask our friend to say goodbye to all the viewers.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching our demonstration. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Take care.
I couldn't do it better, so yeah, talk to you soon. Stay tuned.
Talk to you soon. Stay tuned for more updates.